Whether you've forgotten someone's birthday or want to surprise a new friend, there are plenty of simple ways to find out without asking directly. Be cautious of websites that claim they can reveal birthdays for a fee. They're often unreliable. Instead, try a little social media sleuthing, ask mutual friends or family, or casually steer the conversation toward birthday-related topics and let the information come up naturally. Using social media. Look up their Facebook profile to find their birthday. Check the info box under their profile picture or scroll their timeline for past birthday wishes. For private accounts, you may need to send a friend request first. Check their Instagram for birthday posts. Look through their profile, friends' posts, or mutual friends' photos. For private accounts, you'll need to send a follow request first. On Snapchat, look for a birthday cake emoji next to a friend's name on their birthday. You can also check their profile for a zodiac sign, which can give a clue about their birth date. Check their Twitter profile for a birthday in the info section, or look for balloon overlays on their posts. If they haven't entered their birthday, you'll need another method to find it. Asking around. Ask mutual friends if they know the person's birthday. Even if they don't, they may help you find out. Mention if it's a surprise so they don't accidentally reveal it. Ask a coworker or your boss if they know the person's birthday. You can also check company records or ask while planning an office birthday party. If you know the family well, you can ask them for the birthday. Be sure you have a personal connection so your question comes across as friendly and not intrusive. Finding out from the person themselves. The simplest way is to ask them directly in a friendly way. If you just met them, you can say, "When is your birthday?" and follow it with something light, like, "What do you usually like to do for it?" It gets the info you want and starts a nice conversation. If they are a close friend and you forgot, keep it casual and honest. "Your birthday is coming up soon, right? What date is it again?" Most people will not mind at all. For a subtle approach, get them talking about birthdays in general. Ask about their best birthday ever or what their ideal birthday would look like. While they answer, listen for clues like the season, weather, school breaks, or events happening around that time. If you need to narrow it down, ask casual follow-ups based on what they mention, like, "So that was during winter," or "Was it around the holidays or before them?" Mention your birthday casually to prompt them to share theirs. Say something like, "I love having a February birthday," or "Only 1 month until my birthday," to see if they reveal their month or date. If you know astrology, ask their zodiac sign to narrow down their birth date. You can casually follow up to get the exact day, or if they don't know their sign, ask their birthday first and discuss its astrological meaning, keeping your curiosity subtle. Use these tips, trust your instincts, and you'll be celebrating on the right day in no time. Thanks for watching.